Hello, students. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Monbesha. Today I am here with Standard 9 Geography, Chapter 1 India and its size and location. India. We are proud to be an Indian, isn't it? You know about India? Many things. Just who is the president of our country? Who is the prime minister of our country? What is the capital of our country? In which state you live? And if I tell you the state capitals, state names, you can write very nicely, you can say very nicely. When India got independence, when it became republic, everything you know. But can you tell me what is the size of our country? Can you tell me other different geographical aspects of our country? What is the latitude of our country? What are the different rivers and where it flows? It is very difficult until and unless you study about it. So we should also know, being an Indian, we should also know about geographical divisions and geographical aspects of our country. So today we will go through it. In the world map, where do India lies? First of all, we have to see in the world map, in the world, in the earth, where does India lies? The earth has been divided, the world has been divided into various grids to find out the location of our country or any country. It, it is very difficult if you do not know the total geographical structure of our total earth. It is very difficult. So this earth has been divided into several grids. Grids means horizontal line and this vertical line, and the bit, these all small grids, checks, just like here one check, here this is. So these, it is very, then it will be very easier to find out. So first of all, we have to say that India is a very vast country, and when this earth sphere is divided, it is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two parts. Northern part, upper part is northern part, and below, lower one is southern part. So upper part is the northern hemisphere because earth is a hemisphere, hemispherical body. Oblate sphereo, this is the main word of our earth. Shape of the earth is oblate sphereo. So sphere, you know, just general, it is a spherical part. So if you divide the earth into two halves, the upper portion is the northern hemisphere where India lies, and the mainland extends between the latitude. This latitude means horizontal line. You see, I'm showing you the figure over here. You see, some lines are there in this way, and some lines are there in this way. Okay, so these lines are longitude lines, vertical lines, and these all are horizontal lines, and these are called latitude. Okay, so latitudes. So if these latitudes, two latitudes and two longitudes, if divide, they become a grid. And if I tell you these longitudes, these two longitudes and these two latitudes, then it is very easier to find out where is that grid, in which grid India lies. So the latitude 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, latitude, horizontal line, these two lines, and 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east, horizontal, vertical, these two mixed together, and this box which it is found over here, in this place India lies. Okay, but now India is also being divided into two equal halves. India map you have seen. So Indian map is divided into India's map, or India is being divided by. So divided by means it is an imaginary line which divides the country's map into two equal portion. Again, northern, and India is also in the north. India, if it divides, Indian map, if it will be divided into two equal halves, some portion will be above, some portion will be below. So which line divides? An imaginary line which divides India into two equal halves is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. It divides the our country into two equal halves. And this Tropic of Cancer, the value is 23 degree 30 minute north. You have to remember that. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north. Tropic of Cancer divides our country into two equal halves, northern and southern. Okay, today up to here. After that, next we will go through the next portion, next part, that is size of our country, in the next video. Thank you.